Hi, and welcome to the Falcons Toolkit, where we want to equip your flight to academic achievement. In this session, I will be highlighting the Compare and Favorites feature of Schedule Builder. To start, you will need to log into your Cerritos single sign-on portal. Once logged on, you will see the My Cerritos tile. Then you should see the Schedule Builder tile. Click to open. As a refresh from the Schedule Builder presentation on building a schedule, I used English C1000 and AJ 101, which I'm using again. In this calendar snapshot, you'll also notice I took the liberty of adding a work break into the scheduling calculation. You can return to the main page by clicking the Schedule Builder header. Also, in the last option, you'll notice online classes will sit above the calendar view. Allow me to quickly cover the other fields on this page. Going over to the far right, Favorites. As you can see, Favorites is something that I will be covering shortly. Tips, the same helpful hints offered on the splash page. Student Center. This allows you to navigate directly to your Student Center without having to go back to the dashboard. Show Unavailable. This can be toggled off. I took the liberty of adding an unavailable time to show you. Sort Type. As you can see, it allows for various sorting types. List icon. This provides the textual display of the classes with detail displayed. The Compare feature can be turned on by clicking the box within the box icon. Then, on desired calendars, click the same button to create a compare scenario. You'll notice that after I selected the second calendar to compare, a compare field appears with the number selected. When you click on that compare field, it will present you with the combined compared schedules. You'll notice that each version has its corresponding number along with the color coding for 1 and 2. If you click on one of the compared scheduled numbers, you'll notice that you have additional options. Add to cart, add a favorite, view schedule, or remove. You can return to the calendar by clicking the Schedules link. If you opt to remove one of the two comparisons, it will recognize that there are no longer enough to compare and will inform you of this and to return to the existing calendar choice. Returning to your calendar choices, I will now cover favorites and how this could be a great tool for you. So you'll notice the other icon on the calendar is a familiar heart symbol to denote that if you like it, click it. So in this case, it's used to indicate a favorite schedule. If you heart it, you'll get this modal window that pops up and you can name it. It will default to Schedule 1. When you click on the next calendar choice, you can favorite and label it. So you'll see when the second is added, the favorites field increments. Then when you click on the field, it will display both have been saved as a favorite. You can expand using the caret next to the label. You can also open options using the vertical ellipsis. This gives you the features of Add to Cart, where you can validate or you can remove. These features will be covered in the video for registration with Schedule Builder. Once you click on the favorite field, it will open up your calendar choices, starting with the first. Notice you can also rename it if you wish. You can also navigate to the second calendar choice and view it. On this slide, I wanted to highlight a feature that is not evident unless you scroll down on the page. I haven't been capturing it in the screenshots, but there is a scroll bar to the far right. Following it all the way down, you'll see a graphical monthly display of the classes involved. And guess what? This option is a twofer. Your favorites will be viewable to the counselor you speak with, and likewise, they can set up a favorite that you can see and use. This concludes this demonstration of Compare and Favorites. Please view the other Schedule Builder videos, such as registering.